Hello friends, I am Dr. Joshi. Currently I am working as a senior physiotherapist in Lead Physio. I joined Lead Physio on 10th of October 2016. So recently, few days back, I have completed 4 years of my journey with Lead Physio. So I thought of sharing my experiences with Lead Physio. So the initial days of Lead Physio was a very tough and challenging phase of my life, as I had just come from a maternity break of 1 year. So जो पेशेंट के साथ प्रोफेशन के साथ वो 1 ईयर का ब्रेक लगा था, तो थोड़ा कट ऑफ था. Plus I had never worked in a clinical setup before. But after I joined Lead Physio, after I completed my training under Dr. Priyanka, after I completed after I got trained for the PBPA protocol, which is designed by Dr. Priyanka and which is followed in all our branches, it boosts up my confidence. The PBPA protocol is a very systematic approach of treatment towards the patient. It also helped me improve my assessment skill, thus giving me a better diagnosis, and does help me in planning a proper treatment protocol for the patients. So I started taking patients with more confidence. But in spite of that, I was facing other challenges in terms of patient management. Patient management, for example, it includes, for example, how to communicate with the patient, time management, documenting the various patients' record, patient-doc relationship. So these are the various things which we need to manage if we are working as a clinical physiotherapist. But these are never covered in our bachelor degree course. But this plays a very important role in when you are working in a clinic. So this knowledge of patient management is also this part I have learned from Lead Physio. This has changed the complete personality of mine. In my personal life, I am a introvert kind of person. मुझे इतना बात करना नहीं पसंद. बट अभी इतने साल लीड फिजियो के साथ काम करने के बाद अभी जब मैं पेशेंट से बात करती हूँ, जब पेशेंट के साथ बात करना होता है, तो मैं चुप ही नहीं रह सकती, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे पास जो भी नॉलेज है, उनके उस कंडीशन से रिलेटेड जो भी नॉलेज है, जो भी एजुकेशन है, मैं पेशेंट को बता दूँ, पेशेंट के साथ शेयर करूँ. बिकॉज दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम लीड फिजियो. Proper patient education is a very important step for his complete recovery. पेशेंट्स को अपने कंडीशन के बारे में एडुकेट करना बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो द काउंसलिंग पार्ट इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, और वो तभी होगा जब आपके साथ वो प्रॉपर काउंसलिंग तभी आप कर पाओगे जब आप पेशेंट के साथ प्रॉपर एक रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड कर पाओगे, प्रॉपर को पेशेंट को समझ पाओगे, उसके साइकोलॉजी को समझ पाओगे कि एक इस पेशेंट के साथ कैसे बात करना, दूसरे पेशेंट के साथ कैसे बात करना, बिकॉज एवरी पेशेंट इज़ डिफरेंट. So this knowledge or this experience is what I have gained apart from the technical knowledge from Lead Physio. So really, this 4 years of journey was a great learning experience for me. So I would really like to thank Priyanka ma'am and Kiran sir, and in fact the whole team of Lead Physio for providing me such a huge opportunity. And I would really recommend all those physios who are looking for a real clinical experience, they must join Lead Physio team. Thank you so much.